Ah. What? Ralph! Open the door right now! Not now! Ralph! What do you want? I said open the door! Alright, I'm coming! Okay, what do you want? Didn't you hear me that I called you many times? Well, excuse me, I'm in the middle of doing a typewriting. What is this? What is this darn thing you doing? All you do is play with your stupid typewriter? It's not a toy. It's something you write with, alright? It's, I have a very important work to do, okay? So, can you just go away and leave? I'm busy. Alright? This is insane. You're gonna do this all day instead of working with me? Cause I got an important job for you to do. What? Well, you got laundry to do, so you better get to work, alright? So, do the laundry right now. No. Well, if you don't get your butt downstairs right now to do your laundry, then I'm gonna break your stupid typewriter. Go ahead. If you do that, then you'll pay for it. Then, do me a favor. Get your butt downstairs and do your laundry. No! No! I said no! Okay, Ralph, I'm warning you. If you don't come downstairs, your typewriter will be destroyed. Hey, are you listening? Hi! I'm talking to you! Ralph, what? I'm not listening to you, alright? You're just being annoying! I'm your father. And I'm telling you to come downstairs to do your laundry, alright? How many times I have to tell you? Because I'm telling you what to do because I'm your father. So what? It doesn't matter. So, I got important work to do on this typewriter. So this is very important. I got important work to do, alright? So, can you leave? Alright? I'm busy here, so, look. I've got a lot of work to do on this typewriter, so, I got typewriting to do, alright? So, look what you made me do! You make me ruin, writing, the typewriter, so my writing is ruined and it's all scrambled because of you. See? Look what you made me do! You made me scramble the words and ruined my typewriting. Okay? So, you make me ruin my typewriting that I've got plenty of work to do, okay? So, that is so rude that you interrupting my typewriting. A very important typewriting, okay? So, see, I got all the papers and important stuff to do because this is so important that I need to get back to my typewriter and do more typewriting because this way I could pay every other insurance, alright? So this way I want to try to get a job, alright? So I need to find a job. So this is the reason why I'm doing my typewriting, is because I have a lot of paperwork to do, and so that means that I want to get a job. So that's the most important thing, that I need to do a lot of paperwork on my typewriter. Okay? Is that understood? Do you know what I'm saying? Do you understand? Who gives a darn thing? I don't care! So I told you to get your butt downstairs to do your laundry. If you don't, then your typewriter will be destroyed, it'll be broken, and you got nothing to write with. So I'm telling you, get your butt downstairs! Nope. Now! Move it, you pipsqueak! I'm not a pipsqueak. You are. Excuse me? This is why you're driving me insane. You're acting crazy, cause you're acting like a crazy father, alright? So you're so crazy, and I am just gonna, like, slam the door and lock the door, so this way I will not listen to you, alright? Because you're acting crazy. You're acting like a crazy, strong president father, so you're really acting crazy because, you're acting like a crazy child. That's what you are. You're crazy! Because you're crazy president father! Excuse me. Don't call me a child, alright? Because I'm not a child. I'm an old man where I'm your father, alright? Because this is my responsibility in this house. Because this is my house just to tell you what to do, alright? So this is why I know how to be a good father to tell you what to do, alright? So this is my house, so respect your father! Nope. Alright, I'm gonna give you one last chance. If you don't get your butt downstairs right now to do your laundry, or else I'm gonna destroy your typewriter. Go ahead. You will have to pay for it, and I will call the cops. I'm warning you right now. Don't you ignore your father. You have to listen to your father. When your father tells you to do something, you gotta do it, alright? Do you understand? Why is this so difficult for you, huh? Well, why are you blaming me for this? Why are you acting crazy? Why are you acting like a lunatic? Because you're acting like a crazy lunatic president, father. So that's what you are. My father's acting crazy. You don't ever talk to your father like that. You understand? This is the last straw. I'm warning you right now, boy. Get downstairs and do your laundry. I will not do that. Okay, I'm warning you. I'm gonna count to 3. If you don't get your butt downstairs, then your typewriter's gonna be gone. I am not listening. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Get your butt downstairs! Ow! Ow! You're hurting my ear. I did not hurt your ear. Yes, you did! You crazy lunatic president father! Hey! Hey, stop it! Stop it! There's your stupid typewriter. No! Dad! Stop it! Stop! Stop it! Stop! 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 Stop, please! Stop it! Here, I'll just break it in half. There. Now you cannot fill out the paperwork. The stupid typewriter will be destroyed and will be broken to pieces. You will have nothing to write. This is all your fault. All you care about is your stupid typewriter. This is why you are not listening to your father. This is why you disrespect at my house. You don't show respect. There. Everything is gonna go in the garbage. And the typewriter will be totally broken and destroyed. There's your stupid typewriter. I just had it with you, Ralph. I had it. Look at all this. I have a lot of work to do. I got a lot of work to do on this typewriter. Look what he did. He broke it and destroyed it. Unbelievable. Oh my gosh. What am I gonna do? Oh my gosh. This is why I was supposed to be doing it at a private area. Yeah, to do my private work. This is why I was supposed to be going into the private room and do an important private work. That's what am I supposed to do? Look what he just did! He broke the typewriter into pieces! He just broke my typewriter! And he destroyed it! Like I said, you're such a crazy lunatic, President Father! That's what you are! Now he's the one who's gonna have to pay for it. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Mr. President, get away from me. But Mr. President, I said get away from me! Okay, well... why are you being so grouchy? I just told you, just get out of here, alright? Just leave me alone, alright? I'm in a really bad shape, alright? This is why I'm in a terrible mood, alright? Do you understand? Just go, go. Alright, whatever. Have a nice day. You're bothering me again! I said get out! Get out! Alright. Oh. Jeez. You are really crazy. You're a crazy lunatic President Father. That's what you are, so... have a nice day. Whatever! Don't come back and go somewhere else. God. I'm getting too old for this. My back's hurt, because... I just lose my temper. Oh! Now I'm gonna get myself a heart attack because... I've been screaming and yelling a lot, because... that's why I lose my temper, so... I don't want to freak out again, because... otherwise... I'm going insane! And going crazy! Because... I don't want my back to be hurt again, because I need a rest. I just want to take a break and rest my back, and I want to take a nap. So this way, I want to be calm, and I don't want to stress out again. I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to have a meltdown again. You're crazy, man. You're really crazy. Get away from me. You're crazy. Get away from me! Pipsqueak! Look what you did! You just tried to break my typewriter! Because I have a lot of work to do on my typewriter, and you're gonna have to pay for it. So what? I don't care. You pay for it! Well, suit yourself. You're the one who started this. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you. And I don't want to talk to you. Because you are not listening. You don't want to listen, then just get out. I don't want to talk to you. I said get out. I don't want to talk to you. And I don't want to talk to you either. Then get out. You crazy cool boy! I don't want to talk to you again, because you don't listen to your father. Goodbye. Oh, what am I gonna do? I don't know. I'm probably just gonna throw the broken typewriter in the trash and... No, he's gonna have to pay for it. He's the one who destroys my typewriter. Now I'm gonna throw this ridiculous, stupid, broken typewriter into the trash, and I'm gonna have to buy another one. Now, my crazy father is gonna have to pay for this. Ralph, it's okay, man. Don't talk to me. So just get out of here, all right? I'm really not in the mood, all right? Ralph, it's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Just turn it off. But Ralph, turn it off!